Hi, hello everyone. Actually, in this project, we are going to learn how we can use the elements that we have learned before in order to create a real website. Suppose that I want to create a website for my CV, for example. So I'm creating home link where it displays some information along with the image, then some information, then objective, and you can add as many links as you wish. Okay, how we can create such a simple website? First of all, as a rule of thumb, just keep it simple. Don't try to complicate things. So for example, now how I created such a thing, I'm using a frame. So this is a frame. So that whenever I need to change my header, I need to change only in one place. And also, this is another frame. It contains links. So whenever I need to add a new link, I just need to add in one place only. And this is the content. Of course, content varies from one page to another. So let us see how we created this. First of all, we create a file named index so that it becomes the default file. Now let us see. This is HTML head title. This is the title displayed here. Then we need to create a frame set. Rows equals 148 and star. This means I need to create two frames, horizontal frames, by creating the attribute rows. So first frame has 148 height. It's in pixels. And whenever you mention star, this means that the other frame occupies the available space. Okay, so frame border equals 0, frame spacing equals 0. Now first frame is going to have the top.html. This is the top file. This is where it contains the image. So this is the contents of the top file. But now coming to the other row, I need to redivide it again into two frames. But these frames are vertical. So I'm using the calls attribute. So first column is 154 pixels, and the second frame will occupy the available space. So now you have a frame. Its source is left. This is the left where it contains links, and it has the name left. And this frame is the source. It's home. And this is the main home page, and its name is main. So this is simply a division. So this file simply what it does, it creates two frames. One, this frame containing the header, and this frame containing my contents. And this frame is also subdivided into two frames. One is left containing links, and one for the main containing the main contents. Okay, so this is first file. Now, second file is the top file. Now, what top contains? It contains these images. Of course, you can get images from graphic designer or from free websites through searching the net, whatever. So now I have such a source code. It has a body and it has a table. Now I'm creating a table having only one row with one table data, and it contains the required images. So you have top 1, top 2, 3, 4. So the idea here is that I have a folder named images like this. This is images table, images folder. And inside this images folder, I have some images. So you can see here, this is top 1, top 2, 3, 4. So this is what simply creates this header. I have added some images, 4 images, in order to create such thing. Of course, you can use only one image, having the full size, whatever. You just select an image to be a background like this, and you can include 2, 3, 4 images as you wish. So this is the top. Now return back. Now let us see left. Okay, in left, I'm using a style sheet that we have learned before, and here I'm creating background image named left 1. Whenever you take a look, this is left 1, like this. Okay. Now I created a table with 3 rows. Each row contains a link like this, and each class is mentioned as link style. So this link style, of course, will be available in this style sheet. Okay, so I have a link here for home, another link for info, and another link for objective. Take care that the target is mean. If you remember the first file containing the frames, we named the contents as mean. This frame is named mean. So whenever you have a link, you just need to mention that the target is mean. Okay, let us take a look at the style sheet. It's a simple style sheet for the header and link style, and we have taken this style sheet before. This simply creates the style for the header like this, and the style for the links. Okay, so now we have learned about index file, left and top, and the style sheet. So let us take home. Okay, home simply contains a table like this with table row. Its class is header, so this is how it looks like. Of course, you can play with colors to achieve whatever color you need. Then this is the home title like this, then a simple text along with my image. Okay, take care of one thing here, that I have used style with background URL image slash pg.jpg, and its background repeat is no repeat. Background size is cover. Well, background size equals cover. This means use the background image as a size for the whole width, whatever your screen resolution is. And no repeat means it's not going to repeat, because if the background image size is small, it is going to repeat. I don't want it to repeat. And this is the background image. So in images, you're going to find PG. Of course, you can use whatever image you need. You can download from the internet whatever image with background effects, maybe natural scene, your image, whatever. We're talking here about the main idea. So I have here my background displaying with gradient like this. Other two files are repeating. So I have info. It's simply, again, I'm using the background image, and I'm using simple table and another table for my info. This is simple things that we have learned before. And objective is also a repeated thing, just displays my objective. So again, you can create as many links as you need. You can select another background image. You can create a different style for your title. Create whatever you need in order to have your final website with the contents that you need. Okay, so now we have combined almost all elements that we have learned in the course, and of course you can create some animation effects like marquee or whatever in order to have the final version of your website. So I can tell you some assignments. Create some more links here with the real information about yourself. Maybe section 4 expertise, work experience, certificates, professional skills, whatever. And you can create this text with the marquee effect. Okay guys, so in this project we have learned how to create simple website for us. It looks nice, and with some more effects you can create more fascinating website. Okay guys, you can refer back to previous chapters, especially for chapter 12, where you have learned how to publish this website over the internet. That's it guys, hope you enjoyed my course. See you soon in CSS course. Thank you.